So I've just got this drill out again. It's been a while since I last used it. Been updated. It does look a lot better than what it was. It still ain't professional software, but it is good. And it does good for they always recover good. It's never failed on the recovery side. So what's it got? It's got RAIDs, storage, network storage. It's got an advanced camera option now. Apparently, it's really good on GoPros. There's a lot of people, really good people, recommending that. So I'm expecting good things from that, but I ain't tried it yet. Obviously, you got smart. This backup, byte-to-byte backup, supposed to have multi-pass imaging now, which is a massive. So actually, we'll try that now. So, oh, you gotta press that. Alright, so I don't see any options for multi-pass, but you can set the parameters of where you want to copy, which is good. So I'll just press OK. Maybe it's on the next page. Well, I don't see any options for going back over it or multi-pass. Maybe my copy's too old, I don't know. But it's fast. So let's have a look at scanning and see if there's any options for. That's backup again. Oh, I'm in byte-to-byte backup. It's always been a bit clumsy to use, and this is a bit cluttered. See if you've got any controls on the scans now. So you've got search for lost data, quick scan, deep scan. I'll just put search for lost data. There's only data on the first 1 gigabyte of this card, so I'll let it get to 10% and then I'll recover. But there was no options to scan where you want it on the disk, on the drive. There should have been nothing existing. No. And then what it's found, or reconstructed as it calls it. Yeah, it's done a good job. It always did a good job at recovery though. It's just on the other controls. So yeah, it's got a better copying, but it's still got no control of where you can scan on that. But it is the best DIY software out there, without a doubt. So that's it. Getting better. At least they're putting work into it, and they are making it a lot better.